Hello, my voice is clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is no now again I'm sharing. So due to some network issue, the so whatever I am telling about the IEEE frame structure, clear. The frame includes basically two layers. Clear. The upper layer consists of FCD, clear, and address 1, address 2, address 3, then SC, address 4, clear, and then frame body, and then FCS, clear. And the upper layer contains the byte. I think my voice is clear, na? Okay, okay. So the lower layer contains the protocol version, then types, then subtype, 2DS, from DS, more data, and then WEP, and then reserved. These are what exactly the lower sublayer, which contains the bits information. Something like protocol version have 2 bits there, and then type is of 2 byte, sorry, 2 bits. Subtype is of 4 bits. Okay, something like that. So if we talk about the individual, I'm just sharing. Just wait. Okay, so you can see frame control field is 2 byte long and defines the type of frame transmission that is used to the value of NAV. That is NAV होता है ये duration of the sequence control. The field one often called the first 4 bit defines and the last same in all fragments. And then in the last it is the FCS. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Frame types 0.11 has 3 categories of frame management. Then second one is your one is for carrying data and structure is given. This frame consists FCS, C address 1 and subtype is 1011. It is 1100 है. It is clear. Just में कहीं use करते हैं. तो 2DS 0110 and 11. Then it means address कि VLE 02.11. We are having 4 address and they are working as a positions. Clear? If 2DS is 0 and from DS is 0, so address 1 will be the destination address, address 2 will be the source address, address 3 will be the BSS ID, and address 4 is not available. Clear? So you need to know these 2DS is 0 and पे लिखी हुई है case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4. Case 1, case 2, case 3 and case 4. All are or 4 are given. You can see with the diagram. This is for case 1. The first diagram is for case 1. The second diagram is for case 2. This is for case 1. This is for case 2. This is for case 3 and this is for case 4. Clear? You can see in case 1, two basic service sets are communicating, that is A and B. And there is a BSS ID on location 3. Address location 3, there is a BSS ID. Clear? So you can see in the first case, where the 2DS and from DS both are 0, it means that the frame is not going to a distributed system. फ्रेम हमारा कोई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सिस्टम में नहीं जा रहा है, इसीलिए DS की वैल्यू 0 है. From DS and 2DS both are 0, so frame is not going to a distribution system and is not coming from a distribution system. आ भी नहीं रहा है, जा भी नहीं रहा है, क्योंकि दोनों वैल्यू 0 हैं. So the frame is going from one station in a BSS to another without passing through the distributed system. क्योंकि दोनों DS 0 हैं, तो बिना DS के, बिना डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सिस्टम के फ्रेम एक स्टेशन से दूसरे स्टेशन पे पास हो रहा है. क्लियर? नाउ सेकंड में आप देखिए, बाकी तीनों में कोई ना कोई DS हमारा 1 है. जैसे सेकंड में हमारा जो 2DS है वो 1 है. थर्ड सेकंड वाले में फ्रॉम DS 1 है, थर्ड वाले में 2DS 1 है, फोर्थ वाले में दोनों DS 1 है. तो मतलब सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ में हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सिस्टम से होके हमारा फ्रेम पास हो रहा है. क्लियर? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.